So, what's up YouTube? Kirky's Garage. Wanted to show you one of the new tools that I'm using. Right now I'm working on a bumper. It's kind of a mess. Using 2x6 steel. I got the swing out kind of mocked up. 4x4 Innovations makes the dual shear hinge and all that. And Rough Stuff Specialties for the D-rings. Working on that. I'll do a video on that once it's on. The old bumper is gone. It's wobbled too much, flexed too much, it got beat up too much. So it's gone. Teaching my kid how to weld too in the process, which has been fun. But I pretty much always made everything with an angle grinder. Cutoff wheel. A long time ago I had one of those really, really big chop saws. It was basically just like a flamethrower. I do own a plasma, but I just can never get a cut to look good on that. So, always wanted a bandsaw. So I got the Swag Offroad. This is the smaller one. They make one that actually has feet on it. I'm gonna weld feet on this too. This is cheaper. Wasn't sure if it was gonna work. I initially, if I get this off. Initially, was using this guy. This is my DeWalt DCS 371 20 volt portaband bandsaw, whatever you want to call it. I had this on the table and it was amazing. Like everything cut great. I've never used a bandsaw to cut metal before, and it was a joy. It was no sparks, a third of the noise, just little metal shavings that you have to vacuum up when you're all done. Super impressed. But problem I have with this guy, this guy's great for cutting tubing and square tube and whatever you need. This worked really well, even on a battery. But kind of was, once you get it hooked onto the table, I still have, that's the Swag Off-Road guard on it right now. Once you get it on the table, you only got about 2.5 inches of throat space tops to work. So it was really limiting what I could actually do with it. So got the Black Friday coupon this morning and went ahead and got the Harbor Freight 10 amp Bauer. I think they're phasing this one out for the Hercules. I'm not sure. Picked this up. I had to go to Home Depot to get a blade. They do not come with a blade, but got this for $80. Got the blade got a 3-pack of blades for $30. The guys at Swag, I emailed them over the weekend. They got back to me and said I was worried that I'd need an adapter to mount this to it, but if you get this bandsaw, it mounts directly to the table. Not sure if the newer Hercules ones does. You'll have to ask them. But anyway, set this up. Really nice. I think it's a 12 TPI blade on it. And this is what Swag sells you to start it. You really have to add a lot of pressure to it to get it going. Can't really do that one-handed. Yeah, you do that. And it's just the clamp that grabs it. It's not the best design in the world, but it works, and it's better than just putting like a Velcro strap or a clamp on it. So anyway, I'm gonna mess with this, try to get that dialed in a little bit better. As for cutting, like I'm cutting this out for the bumper for some reinforcement plates. Drew this one out, that one, drilled it. This took 5 minutes or less, and this is the first time I ever bandsawed 1/4 inch steel, and it was just slowly push in, turn, slowly push in, turn, and I don't know, I'm really happy. I can cut steel now without making a lot of noise. I'm not throwing sparks in the garage. I'm not going to hurt my wife's car, and that's next to it right now. Did some damage to her last car, but we're not going to talk about that. So anyway, really happy with this. If you guys have this too, leave a comment. But if you're looking for a setup like this, and like I said, I just have it clamped into a vise right now, so when I'm done, I can put it somewhere else. I may build some legs for it so I can put it on the ground, but can't complain. Let me know what you guys think.